Good day, investors. This is your number one operator, Victoria, Vicrest Properties. This is Vicrest Real Estate Talk. Today we'll be treating a new topic: broke in cash, but rich in real estate investment. So I would like you to please sit down. Depending on your weather, you can grab your hot tea, your hot coffee, or your chilled drink, and watch this video to the end as I go on this topic: broke in cash, but rich in real estate investments. Why am I bringing this topic? Because a lot of people feel bad they are cashless. Meanwhile, they have assets. Well, to be cash poor is to have wealth in assets, but not enough liquid money available for spending and saving. And also, to be cash poor can make it difficult to afford your expenses or limit your ability to make a purchase of indispensable or essential needs. To be cash poor means that you have wealth tied up in assets you can easily convert to cash, and also it carries financial risk. I want you to remember that asset is anything you own that has economic value, which includes physical form of wealth such as real estate, stock, and bonds. But I prefer gold and silver for investment than stock, because stock crashes sometimes. I prefer gold and silver because it has been tested for 5,000 years for a safe haven. If you want to avoid being broke after you've invested so much, you should reduce your daily expenses, your lifestyle, and spend wisely. Make sure you save your emergency fund. Being cash poor is a recipe for frustration and anxiety, where any unexpected expenses threatens to become a crisis. The reason why I'm doing this is because there may be some of our investors who are going through this. You have to be psychologically ready to buy a house or land, so you won't be quick to sell it at the wrong time. There are some people that bought land maybe 1-2 years ago. The next thing they'll be calling you, I want to sell my land. Why? Because they're not psychologically ready. And you know what that means. Someone that just bought land just in, let's say, 2 years ago, or even less, 2-3 years ago, or even less, I want to sell now. You know, it won't appreciate. You won't enjoy the investment because it only just give you stipend on top. That's not a good investment. If you have any little need for money, you remember, oh, I have this investment, let me go and sell it. I have this land, let me go and sell it. And meanwhile, that investment is not ripe enough for you to benefit, to gain from it. Imagine, take for instance, you bought the land for 2 million naira 2 years ago, and maybe that land now is selling for 4 million naira, or let's say 5 million naira. You're happy that you want to sell it. I need this money now, let me sell it. That is not a good investment. If you are lucky to sell it for that 5 million naira or 4 million naira, to you feel you had some money on top, you got some money on top. That is not investment. That is not a good investment. You know, I told you in my previous videos of someone who bought land of 2 million naira in Ikoyi more than 20 years ago, and that same land, they begged to buy that same land like 2 years ago for 200 million. Can you see that? Because she was patient enough, and yet she refused to sell it because she knows she can still sell more than that money. She knows that she can still sell it for more than that 200 million. She leave it longer. Wow. That is someone who is psychologically ready. to invest. So what am I saying in essence? When you buy land or house, don't rush to sell it because you have little need for money, because that is the only asset you have to get money. Don't rush to sell it, because you rush to sell it in years to come, you will regret, why did I say this thing? I understand the situation. I understand the world economy. I want to advise our investors to try to save. Cut down on your expenses. Cut down on your lifestyle, your spending, so you will not be broke while you invest. I hope you'll be enjoying this video. This is your number one Eborate of Victoria Vickrest Properties. This is Vickrest Real Estate Talk. We'll be talking on the topic broke in cash but rich in real estate investment. You're watching this video for the first time, please do smash the subscription button of this YouTube channel to subscribe, so you always be notified of every of our latest updates, every of our latest notification. The returning subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos. Like our page, comment. If you've not subscribed yet, please do hit the subscription button of this YouTube channel to subscribe. Please, you can also share with your friends and families as I go on this topic. Now, I want to break out for one English, because the grammar don't too much when we don't speak. You investors will be say, una don dey buy land since. You can't look and say, I don't buy this land, I don't buy this one, I don't buy for Egbe, I don't buy for Ibeje, I don't buy, but I don't get money for hand. No let that one bother you, no let that worry you. No call the feedback say, as I day like this, I be like person no get money, I no get money, I no get shishi like this. One naira no gon me. Those things where you they do before they make you they spend money anyhow. Try me they reduce them. If now all those bar where they go, be say they make you go if you there you go spend hundreds of thousands of naira or whatever your currency be. Try cut them. If they go every day before, reduce that to once a week. Because they say too much of everything is bad. Maybe you they buy many things before you say you go buy, at the end of the day you don't use them, you go just throw them. Try to reduce those things. The women will be say you they like clothes, we like jewelries, you like all these things. Reduce them. If you they buy 10 before, start to the buy, reduce them to 3. If not 2, reduce them, so that you no go dey broke. If you get all that small thing where you feel they bring small money for you, that small business, start them. One thing you need to know for your mind be say, even if say you not get money for hand now, not mean say you poor. You not poor, you rich well, because that thing when you do for ground already, that land where you go buy, if you know what it be for you, especially if you know where you for buy the land, say the location, the kind of thing where they come there, the kind of thing we go to that place, where they say you go appreciate the value of your property. Imagine the one when I don't talk before, where I thought say this woman buy land more than 20 years ago for 2 million naira for Ikoyi that time. And that same land we buy for 2 million naira 2 years ago, 2 years back, they beg her to buy that land for 200 million. You see the difference? But yet, he says she not go sell. Because why? She want me to appreciate more. We go sell and pass that 200 million. Example. My mama buy land. You don't buy land. That don't buy and take. No, I talk some investments like stock, bonds. Get one land for somewhere. She can't look am because of her colleague. Wait some of them saying that so they buy shares. Now so did they come make millions for that shares. My mama can't go carry land, can't go sell them. Can't go put them for shares. Where she no do proper investigation, know this thing very well. Can't go buy them, can't sell the land. She can the money, go buy the shares. Today, even the money when she sell that land, they buy the shares, you never see the money. Like kobo, 1 naira, 50 kobo. That be the thing where they give her for shares return. She see they regret at it tomorrow. People, the thing we made them want sell that land, no make sense. No be say that one emergency sitting in life between life and death. Now waiting no you make sense. You say I go you get one land for one place. Hungry they beat me. Hungry one kill me. I don't fit chop where. Make I go sell the land. Another time go buy them. Buy for 1 million, I buy for 2 million. And they don't say the land for 4 million. If I see person go buy for 3.5 million or 3 million or even that 4 million, I can sell them. You sell them, chop them. The time will be say you want come buy land again. You come the year so kind of amount and you not coffee get that money to buy. You know how painful that thing dey. The advisor they give you where they watch me be say, if you don't buy land, come on you for that land. Look for how you go to sustain yourself. How you go to sustain yourself so that you no go dey broke. Number one, like I talk before, your lifestyle. Those things where you they do, where maybe you na person wey be say you like fashion. Any fashion na you, that you be fashionista. We be say they know you. Anything wey they on board na you the reign for fashion. This thing they come and they go. Most people will be say their life na fashion, but today they're not getting it to show. And inside cloth you want to stay. And inside gold where they wear, where they show up, maybe people they see, then you want to live. Yes, they don't say gold, you feel sell and get money, but now inside those Gucci bag, all those many bags, all those shoes, all those things, made this baby say where you go fall out, where they go see you, don't say yes, this woman sabi or this man sabi. No, not be that one they make person. Now, what did they call net worth? What did they calculate net worth? Now your assets where you get the asset that your real estate assets where you get. Then they calculate for your net worth. Not be the clothes, not be the fashion, not be the net worth. You see real estate. Now waiting no more for the as far as you be human being, we get flesh and blood. Every human being need, because you must any place where you go pull your head, you go stay. Now be waiting, nobody fit do with that. No matter how spiritual you be, say you say you love God very well. You want sleep inside, you want sleep outside. May sun, rain, snow, everything mama you. No, you go need somewhere where roof day, where you go stay. Where they talk to you, know me say outside. So every human being needs real estate. So you get them. You get money. Even if you know this, you must see the money for her. No worry. The matter of time. That is why we say you need to look for how to help yourself. Where we say you will not forget, say you get something like that, just come in your mind. Forget her. Look for another way to help yourself, revive yourself, to be able to feed yourself, take care of yourself medically. We be say you will not forget, say you buy land or house, don't leave them, forget them. But that thing, but that one, now waiting go help you in future. We say even old age, you don't need to come to suffer the work. We tell the child to talk, say reduce your way you take the spend. Some people dey like this. We all go market, anything where they see, they go they buy. Whether they need and they don't need, they go they buy. Especially we will be women. Anything we will see for where we our eye you see where the thing cash our eye. We go start to buy them. We reach as finish. If you not getting it for that thing, you go throw them or you will dash them out. That one waste. Why you know just reduce things where you go to buy? Make sure say before you go market, you calculate where you go, know things you will buy, you cut down on those things so that you will feel safe, so that you know they broke. There's another way the thing where we say, I make I try encourage us, encourage you now, encourage myself too, encourage ourselves, so that we go try cut down on some things. I get my clients will tell me say, I get clients we don't follow me buy property, which it tell me say before they buy gold, buy everything, buy this and buy that one. But when she started to buy property, she can't reduce all those things because of this property she's going to buy. Can't reduce. She not going to go party again. Yes, you know now all this. You know this people who come for this part of Nigeria will be say na party, na for come. She had to stop to the go party. She had to cut down all those many things. Today, she they talk, they cut the number of properties she don't buy. More than 20 something properties. They say you go look back, you say, thank God, say I not say this thing. They say every shoe gets size. Everybody know their level. Some people they say even when they don't buy many properties, they still get enough money to live the life where they want to live. They feel see they spend where they want to spend. They get enough money, no wahala. Some people they struggle, they manage to buy some of this property. Then to only think how they that one you can't try to know how you will take they spend your money, because everybody get different way they take they make their money. Some people now work paycheck to paycheck. Then they do. Them pay their monthly salary. Some day they do that monthly salary, they get all that business, so they do join now. Some people they just be business people. They get different businesses. So everybody know their pocket as a rich. So if you know say you na monthly salary they do, maybe say you take gather buy this property. See no as you say they cut your coat, cut your spendings, cut down some things. Maybe say you know say they chop your money, they reduce them. If na all this lifestyle where they live, they cut, they make you they spend money, reduce them. Those things maybe say it where they buy we not necessary, maybe say they over reduce them, so that you go fit get money to save, where you go to help yourself before your investment mature. Now that will be the advice I make advice on today. I hope say this video una enjoy am well. I hope say what I talk it makes sense. So thank all of I thank una wey dey Nigeria and una wey dey obodo yibo, wherever una dey, say may God begin to continue to provide for us, even with the economy, even with the economy where everything be like gbas. May God see they provide for all of us. Please tune in to Vickrest Real Estate channel, Vickrest Properties channel, to watch, like, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. I also use this medium to refer you to our other channel at Victoria Obviously, when we talk about the cost of building materials, and you want to buy land, genuine land, affordable home, luxury home, you want to invest. Vickrest Property is help you do that, and will also help you invest wisely. So thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful Sunday and a blessed week ahead.